Is it green seat? दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल इंग्लिश विद अकरम में. गुड मॉर्निंग, यू आर वाचिंग इंग्लिश विद अकरम एंड there is debate once again, and topic is which vehicle is better, petroleum or electric vehicle. And team which is sitting on my right is going to speak in the favor of electric vehicle, and team which is sitting on my left will speak in the favor of petroleum vehicle. So let's get started. Let's see which team wins. And one more thing, that these people make mistake, means these students make mistake, they will make because they are learning, they are learners. So please avoid it, encourage them, motivate them. Thank you so much. चलिए जी बस शुरू करते हैं फटाफट.
Okay. Should I start? So directly I'm starting with my points. First of all, I wish to talk about South Africa, which is one of the poorest continents in the world. There are so many kind of countries in the South Africa. So when we talk about the South Africa, we talk about no electricity, we talk about no water, we talk about no food in that continent. So there, imagine buying petrol from Saudi Arabia. Imagine buying petrol from Qatar, Oman, Iran, Iraq, or UAE. Buying petrol and gases from the Russia. It is very impossible for the countries like South Africa and Pakistan and Bangladesh and sometimes even the India. They have to spend a lot of money in the international market only to buy petroleum, only to buy some gases. Why? To give you petrol in their in the countries. For example, if I talk about the India has to spend 115 billion US dollars every year only to buy petroleum. Only to buy petroleum. Imagine you are spending this much money on the petrol. How will a country run? And because of this thing, our value in the international market is going very low. We are sinking into the debt pool. Now because of this thing, petrol price is a lot, and because of this thing we are unable to afford the petrol. Similarly, countries like South Africa are unable to afford the petrol. Because of this thing, countries like South Africa, Pakistan, Bangladesh, even India, they are promoting the electric vehicles. Like in the India, there is a policy called FAM2. In that policy, if the buyer buys electric bike, government will give 30,000 rupees to you. And if you buy any car, any electric car, so you will get 1,50,000 rupees as subsidy. And people are getting, in the India they are giving this much subsidy only to promote electric vehicles, because they know there is benefit of us in the electric vehicles. That's all. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Mohammad Ishan, and as he mentioned about the petrol, that we are spending 1.5 billion US dollars every year to just have petrol from the other countries. So brother, same thing happens with electric also. To make the electricity, to make the batteries, we need lithium and other metals also. And to find those metals, those are not on trees. So we have to do mining, and that is more costable than this. And next thing I would like to say, we have third largest means in whole over the world. We are on third number in terms of having lithium, but that is raw lithium. We don't know that it is useful for making batteries or not. We will have to spend our next 10 years and our money to check that it is useful or not. Can we utilize that or not? So there also we are wasting our money. Now I would like to put my point here, that is about the performance. As everyone has told about the common features and common things, so I won't talk about that. I would tell you about something different. Like if you talk about the petroleum vehicles of 1 crore 2 crore rupees, like BMW and sport cars, so there is a mode that is sports mode. In this mode, what happens, that you will get 4 features. First, rear wheel drive, by which what will happen, speed will increase. Okay. And then second feature is launch control. In this feature, what will happen, your car will accelerate quickly. It won't take time, like it can touch 0 to 100 kilometers per hour within 2 seconds only. This is launch control. And there are other high performance features also, cooling system also, so that it cannot burst like any electric vehicle. So these are the features which are in petroleum vehicles. And last month, on from 17 to 22 January in Delhi, Pragati Maidan, there was Expo, Moto Expo in our Delhi, where a lot of cars were available. More than 2,000 cars were brought there. Many companies were there. They introduced their upcoming cars, their concept cars. I would tell you, there were more than 500 cars which were petroleum, but there were only 26 cars which were electric. Why? Why? Because today we are not that, it is not that much easy to afford the EVs. Okay, it is, first of all, it is expensive. People cannot afford, because petrol vehicles are starting from, if you talk about the bikes, Radeon, it is starts from 70 to 80,000, and it goes till 1.5 lakh. You can have it for a common person, for a middle class family, it is good. That's it.
Okay, brother. As you're talking about the cost, so when we do total of the price, like petrol, diesel, sometimes CNG, or sometimes something else in the car or the bike, then it is more than the electric vehicle. For example, if I buy electric vehicle for 10 lakh rupees, 10 lakhs rupees. So similarly, if I buy petrol a car for 8 lakh rupees, so when I will be refilling the petrol in that for almost 1 and 2 years, it will be equal to the electric bike. Okay. And another thing, I would like to give answer to the Sophia sister, as you were talking about the charging station, that in our beloved Mustafabad there is no any charging station, so we are having to face so many kind of difficulties to charge our EVs. You know what? There are 7 senses in our mind, and one of them is common sense. That common sense says to us that when there is only 130-kilometer range in your EV, so why the hell are you wanting to go 200 kilometers by that 130-kilometer range? Why the hell are you trying to do these kind of things when there is only 1 liter petrol in your bike, and you can go only 100 kilometer from those 1 liter petrol? Why are you trying to go 200 kilometers? That's not good at all. And another thing, you became activist. Then you began to say that you people are mining my earth, you people are eating my earth, as if it is your own home. It's not our home. You people are eating my earth, and it's very bad. You people are mining the mountains. You people are doing these kind of things. Sister, we have been mining for lithium, for cobalt or nickel, something else, for almost 50 years or 100 years. But you people have been mining the mountains, the lands, the forest, and the homes, even from almost, it have been almost thousands of years you have been mining, and you will be mining, I know, for the petroleum, for the petrol. But we are just finding lithium, we are finding cobalt, which can be used in different kind of works.
Okay,
Another
brother,
thing,
listen.
one
Listen.
last answer,
Okay, then.
one last answer I would like to give to Rihan Ahmed bhai. He talked about the hacking system. You know what? Because you all have the electric car or electric bike, because you have display on that, your electric vehicle can be hacked. Rehan bhai, if my electric vehicle can be hacked, then would it be like Tarzan? A car without a driver, like I will be riding a car without a driver? Of course not. And hacking a car, hacking a scooty, hacking a petroleum electric vehicle, what the hell will you do by hacking that? Only I will not be able to ride. What is the benefit in that?
Okay.
Another thing.
Listen.
Another
No
thing.
another thing.
Last,
Let me
last.
speak.
Wait,
Let me speak, brother.
one
Now,
last, one last,
as
one last. I will not speak then. Another thing, brother. As you talked about Thrust SSC, do you know what is the price of that car? 22 crore rupees is that. So when you talk about the expensive, that electric vehicles are so expensive to afford, then you talk about the Thrust SSC. And who the hell will buy that car, and why will you buy that car? Tell me. Will you ride on that Dispatchifuda road of that car?
brother, first of all, Rihan Ahmed did not say that thrust SST car we will buy, and it is that,
SST,
whatever
no.
it is,
SST.
whatever it is. That he just told that the car which has highest speed in the world, that is petroleum, not any electric. He told, by this example he showed that there is no electric vehicle which can compete the petroleum vehicle's speed. First, second thing, Safia, she said, why do you need speed? What is the benefit of speed in vehicle? If we don't need speed in vehicle, then why do we need even vehicle? Why vehicles are made to save the time? Okay, instead of going to the rickshaw and all, go on foot. Why are vehicles there then? Next thing I would like to answer to Alif Shah. Alif Shah. Alif Shah said, we are not able to study because of noise pollution. Like out of her home and on 25 Footer road, drag race is going on. There are BMW, which are doing drift continuously. Expo is organized in front of her home. We are not able to study. And someone said about the peaceful driving experience. Okay, someone said about the peaceful driving experience that we cannot get this experience in petroleum vehicle. Have you heard the name of Rolls Royce? It is most peaceful car in all over the world, and that is petroleum. And this company has released the only one electric car. That is because that can be compulsion because era is changing. Next thing, Sabah. She said carbon monoxide is released and that is harmful for us. So I would like to tell carbon monoxide is harmful. I agree, but it is not only spread by the cars, by combustion, by other things also like tobacco, okay, and by burning of coal also. And we generate the electricity by burning of coal. So there also carbon monoxide is spread, and there also we are getting the cancer, heart attack, and your many diseases. And then Afsha said, say petrol. We need development. Okay. Sustainable development, sorry. She said, for our upcoming generation, we will have to save the petrol. Only petrol is not there, sister. Other things also, or other fuels are also there. Like CNG gas is also there. Diesel is also there. And petrol is not only one type of petrol. There are types of petrols also available. And we have a lot. We can save. Yeah, that's good. You are thinking about future. That's it.